we're going to tell you all about the brand new range of cat construction toys from Funrise. This is the Construction Fleet Sunset, and it comes with a dump truck.
There's also a hard hat in there.
And there's a rake and a shovel. This is the Tough Rigs excavator.
Wow, this looks so cool. I can't wait to get some sand with this.
This is a Cat Junior Crew build your own vehicle set. Jetson, should we get this open and build our own vehicle?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the work. Yay, we built it! That was really easy and fun to make. Look at all of these, we've got them all open. Now let's head out and do the work. These toys are on sale on Amazon, along with other cat vehicles from Funrise. Ocado, Debenhams and John Lewis also have a selection of items.